Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking proportions so the Huracan looks right. Draw a 3-1 rectangle for the side profile, then place wheel centers about 1/6 in from each end. Once done, add 2 circles per wheel and map the cabin as roughly 1/3 of the car length. Use a light pencil so you can erase freely. This stage sets the whole drawing, so take a breath and check symmetry before moving to the next layer. Now you refine the body. Trace the roof line and set the windshield angle around 30 degrees to give that wedge stance. Make the hood slopes and carve the side intakes with confident, slightly angular strokes. These shapes define the Huracan's aggressive look. Once that's clear, add character lines, the shoulder, lower skirt, and hexagonal intake edges, then sketch headlights, mirrors, and wheel spokes. Use reference images and vary pressure to show which lines are structural versus surface detail. Finish by darkening final lines and erasing construction marks. This cleans the image and makes forms read clearly. Add shading with cross-hatching or soft gradients. Darken under the car for cast shadow, build panel gradient to show curvature, and leave sharp highlights on edges. Make sure wheels sit on the same ground line. If a wheel looks wrong, stop and recheck the wheel centers and axle tilt. Correcting centers usually fixes perspective issues and restores the car's balance.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.